Hello viewers, let's start a video here in the YouTube channel, and today my topic is here in the how to use virtual data room. And how to use virtual data room, guys. This is the main topic of this BDRS company in right of BDRS, and this is the how to use virtual data room in BDRS. BDRS means virtual data room, and this is the main cases of the BDRS company of the BDRS and the GoRS. And this is one of the top and best ranking of the virtual data room software in here in right now. This is the right now in the virtual data room. Right now in the virtual data room is here in growing of this business. This is the one of the top class business. And they are upgoing that business how to use virtual data room in 2023 in the right now of this BDRS is the half OS of this line. And this is the is one of the most users of this BDRS company is however that good. And this is their services and very good, and most welcome of this BDRS companies. The BDRS companies is halfway of this mind-blowing of their service in the way. This is the BDRS company. And the mind blowing of this growing of this business. And thank you so much in the video, everybody. Please like, comment, share this video. Thank you.